A flashing yellow light on your Xfinity or Rogers Ignite TV box typically indicates it's trying to register with the network or is in the middle of a firmware update. Don't be confused by the name. Rogers and Xfinity are different brands. This flashing can also signal a problem like a failed registration or lack of a downstream signal. It's important to understand the LED light indicators. Solid white means normal operation, flashing white means starting up, and flashing yellow indicates registration or update issues. If it persists for more than 10 minutes, it signals a problem. The box needs to authenticate to access channels and streaming using IP addresses and digital certificates. Failures can be due to weak Wi-Fi, outdated firmware, or account issues. Start with basic troubleshooting by power cycling the box. Unplug the device from the power source for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves temporary issues. Next, check all cable connections to ensure they are secure. Also verify that your internet speed is above 25 megabytes, as slow speeds can cause issues. Use the Xfinity or Rogers app or website for remote diagnostics. Xfinity offers automated diagnostic tools in their app for faster troubleshooting. For Rogers Ignite boxes, try connecting via Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi to rule out connectivity problems. If the problem persists, contact customer support. It may indicate a hardware failure requiring replacement. Remember, this flashing yellow light is often a symptom of deeper network issues, so prioritize signal strength and follow these steps systematically.